Hi there, Tony Maynard here, and I'm at Amazon here, and this is my account. So what I was going to show you is how to, if you want to become an affiliate with these guys, because I'm one, you have to have a website though, if you want to really be effective with Amazon. There's no point otherwise. You can try doing it one at a time, but I just don't do it that way. That's it. So there's the associate program there. So we just click on that. For me, see, it's already there. I'm already part of this deal. So all I've got to do right now. So yeah, this is my account. So and I've already had 140 clicks already. So that's on. So there you go. So I'm doing something anyway at least. But my was to try and get into the. Here we go. Where are we? Yeah, this is my account, so I can go back to the because I can show you, right, what this means when you're an affiliate associate. So and how you do this here once you've got your account, it's really simple. I mean, you just go and you sign up, I mean, you just click on affiliates, and product links. Yes, you can do product links, and you do it with this here. This is the Stripe method, and I'll show you about how that works. Site Stripe, see, so that's how that works. Okay, so we'll go back. I'll go back to the actual site. Right now, I'll show you how this works. This Site Stripe. Okay, let's see. We'll do a search. You can do this with anything. Doesn't matter what it is. See, so I'll go up to the top here and see this text. Well, what I do is I just click on that text, and because I'm an affiliate, there's my affiliate link for this page here, for the front page, right there. See that? That's the affiliate link for the page. That's from Site Stripe, and that's how I've done it for my site. I can show you that too for my site for diehardforeducation.com, and I'll show you. Hang on, just here we go here. So I go to videos, go to ecom stores here, go to my ecom reviews, right? Here we are here at my ecom reviews, and then I go to Amazon, and the way I've laid this out is quite different, because I've captured all. See, this is why you need a website. This is my website, right? Now look what I've done here. You'll see it in a minute once this loads. Right, there's my the videos for that. See, because this is a video review site. So so there's the videos for that for Kimball, and you can access that here. But look what I've done. I'll show you. It's really simple. When you can do what I just showed you, you can get your link. This is what you can do, right? So KDP Evergreen Health. So I've got 3 categories that I've gone through for, right? So I can click on one of these. I'll go for health, right? Just to show you, right, how this works. And in the health, right? So then there's 3 videos showing you KDP Evergreen Fitness book. So that's the next one, you see. So there's another one down from that, see. So access fitness. So I go to fitness, right? Access fitness. I can access the fitness right here. Okay, so I go down to fitness, and look, see, all these books here I've done through that Stripe that I showed you in my account, and what I showed you with that link, right? So all these here I've loaded into this page, and I've got pages like this, Now you can't do this, if you're only an affiliate and you only got one thing, you've only got one link. How can you do this? You can't do this. You just can't do it. You have to have a website. to do Amazon properly. And this is what I've got. See, I've got a website, see? And I offer other things as well. So this is how I do it, okay? This is my way of doing it. So, you know, this is how I do Amazon's affiliate program. You know, I've got audio books as well, you know, because this is how I do it, right? This is KDP, Kindle Desktop Publishing. This is how I do it. So, and then you've got access here for this is now it's the diet one. See, I can go up here. There it is, diet. And you've got wellness as well. So fitness, diet, and wellness. So I've actually put these categories into different spaces, you see. So, you know, look, I'll do it to show you this one. Here you go. And there's all these books on diet, you know. So, see what I mean? But all of these books have their own link and their own page. And that's the thing. That's how I work this. And I can prove that to you by just clicking on one of these, any one of these. I can just, you know, like I said, any one of these will do. You know, it doesn't matter. Keto code, you know, you can do what I can do, whatever, you know. So see, there's the page right there. See, there's the page there, and there's the text page. See, text there. See, and there's the page for that book right there. But there's the text. See, so it's, you know, and I can do the drop down for you to show you again. Look, this is how it works. See, you go. There's the link for it. That's my affiliate link right there. See. So this is how I do it, you know. This is how it's done. This is how you do Amazon the right way, you know, because you can't do it if you're just doing one product. It just doesn't work. You know, that's all there is to it. You know, this is what I've discovered. So this is the way I do it. So I can go back to that page now if I want. See, right? So, you know, I'm saying that you can't do Amazon this way. You cannot do one product way. You can if you want, but it's a struggle because Amazon doesn't pay that much, and neither does eBay. eBay's the same. I don't do that way either. I can show you that too. I think I will actually, because it's worth noting that this is how it's done. You don't do it the way you know, with the one-off, just one product. It's a waste of time. I don't do it that way. It's just a typical waste of time. That's all. Total waste of time, and I don't do it that way. It's as simple as that. So here we are at eBay. See, so what have I got here? See, so watch what I do here. See, no, there's the videos for that. See, there's 3 stores there, all with their own link, like I showed you. And you go into here, which are for sale, those 3 stores. And you go into here, right? And there they are here. See, there's some video, the videos for it. See, these are stores. These aren't stores, these are websites, right? Website templates. That's what they are, right? And there they are there. Yeah, see, I can access that, right? Show you, I'll just show you. This is how it is, how I do it. And once again, see, there it is there, right? And this is a link. This is a link, you know, through eBay, right? That's my affiliate link is on this page. See, so that's how I do it. That's how it's done, you know. And I can do a lot of different products because I have a website. You see, I have a website. That's the reason why I can do that. You see, I don't do it one-offs. It's a waste of time. You don't make any money that way. It's as simple as that. No, you don't. It's just totally, you know, and that's what I do with eBay, see? And there's a lot of others. See, these are all the templates, they're all website templates. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. This is the right way. I created a place, you know, where I can store everything, you know, and do my affiliate program, see? So this is the, you know, this is the guy that I'm doing these templates, these, see, beautiful premium turnkey websites, and there they are here, see, right there, see, so this is how I do it, you see. So and there's a link for that too. So all of these are it's all affiliate marketing, right? This is an affiliate marketing site. I call it a hub, a place where I can put all my stuff, you know, all my stuff that I've been involved with. I can make videos on it. I can do what I like. Really cool, really good. So I just thought I'd show you that, so you know. All right. So, well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more and more, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.